Have you all had your sunshine today? Many are afraid of the sun. Nothing in this world that Yahweh created will ever harm you. He gave us the sun. Not even the people that He created can do you any harm. People just allow themselves to be transformed. And these are the ones that harm others. Do y'all like strawberry lemonade? I made this myself naturally. And I sweeten my strawberry lemonade with honey. Natural. Honey is more better for your health rather than sugar. In fact, what sugar do to you, honey does the opposite. Again, nothing Yahweh created will ever harm us. Stay close to nature and natural as much as possible. This will even keep you beautiful.